Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, got the Bushcraft knife all dikemed up and all that. I hit it on the surface grinder, got it all up to like a 845, I think. So we're all smoothed out. I haven't done the spines or anything, but I got to mark. I'm going to put like one center line. Well, it's going to be two lines, but it's going to look like one, like I always do for zero grinds. I'll show you when we get it done. Anyway, if you go on my website, I got 3 folders left. These 3 folders right here. Boom. That's it. I got a new design coming. I got 2 I'm working on, but I might have messed them up. So, yeah, these might be the last 3 left. And 2 have already been sold. So, it'll be like a limited edition. First off. So when I'm dead, they'll be really worth something. Like I said, I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description. Amazon links are down there, all that good stuff. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave me some comments, leave me your questions for the next Q&A. Oh yeah, and I bought a ferro rod. I've never used one, so if you see this cut, it's because I've done about 100 tries to get it to spark. It sparks right here. Well, now that I say that, it sparks right here. But, yeah, see on the spine it sparks too. And that's where the hamon is. I just don't know what I'm doing. But, see, it will. There we go. I know this is hard right here. So, you know, I'm probably doing it wrong and I don't know what I did. I just wanted to buy one to see if the hamon made any difference, but it doesn't seem to. I mean, that's the thing. It's probably like a 60 up here and probably like a 58 or 57 here. That's really only small difference with the hamon. They just look real cool, right? Let's get to the grinder. So Bushcraft knives, I guess they're the bevels are pretty low. The ironic thing to me is, when I first started making knives, I kept all my bevels really low because I was afraid to blow over and make full grinds and full flats when I didn't want to. So all my first knives were really small bevels. And then I kind of broke them in the middle and, you know, I think it was more like an ego thing to break them a little bit higher but not go full flat just to show I had control, which I like that look anyway, but in my head, that's what I was saying. You gotta take them higher than a little bit, but not full flat to show you have the control over your grinds. But here we go. I'm gonna break the 90s down. The lines aren't touching, but they're pretty close. I gotta go get my good glasses on. Now with everything I do, I have to wear 3 different pairs of glasses. The ones that are good, you know, for seeing and at the computer. The ones that are like really high, like a 3.0, so I can see what I'm doing and get on TikTok and Instagram and all that. And then just my everyday wears, which are like a 2. Oh man, all right, I'm rambling. Here we go. Alright, brand new 50. That's a worn belt, by the way. Always break your 90s with a worn belt. This has already been heat treated, so I'm just gonna start right here, right in the middle of that sharpening notch. That gives me a little bit of play to work with. I don't know how the plunge line's gonna be. I'm just gonna wing it. I'd love to tell you, yeah, I got it all planned out, but that's a lie. So I had to do here like this, you know, like I always say, hold your fingers, but then I had to grip up here, kind of split it into two. I'm gonna leave that little bit for the 120. So I have just a little bit of room to mess with and play with, and I gotta be careful, you know. It's not sharp, but it could be real easily. Yeah, it took me a little bit to get functionality, but so I got a little bit to bring it back here and up with the 120, and then, all right, let's do the other side. The other 120. We're pretty thin. Woo. Yeah, man. This dips a little bit right here, but that's all right. Just gotta be careful when we get to 120. Man, this hand I can always get these swoops nice, and I always have to fight this side. But then when I get to the tip here, I always have to fight this. Oh well. That's the one thing with these videos, you guys can't feel the intensity of this little bit right here and right here. Am I gonna fuck it up or am I gonna make it? I just pulled this one off just a little bit. Now we just got this little bit right here, which always throws me. So I just gotta, I don't know. Pray. Not too bad. Now's the easy part. We just go up to a 830 or whatever and start on the handles. I gotta be careful because, man, this is like, it's not sharp enough to cut paper, but it probably would cut you if it hit you right. Or hit you wrong, one of the way. However you want to look at it. Alright, I'm just on a high speed 865, 845. I don't think I'm gonna go 830. That last time it worked out pretty good. There we go. Boom, there we go. I just finished editing. We're at like 11 and a half minutes, so I'm gonna save the handles for another video. All nice and clean bevels, up to an 845, maybe even an 830, I forget. Yeah, man. This feels real nice in the hand. Looking good too. So I'll put my website up in the cards. I got this knife up there. I got this knife up there. And this knife up there. This is the cheapest because I had to take a little bit off the front to make it come down. You can see how far back it is. That's why I made a new design, because it was hard to get these not to stick out right here. They're all up there. Website's up in the cards. First down in the descriptions. I got shirts on there. I got these 3 knives. All my fixed blades are gone. Yeah, this is a fun build. My secret project is pretty much done. I'm kind of going back and forth with the guy I'm doing a collab with, so, you know, it should be out pretty soon. We're both taking a little bit extra time on it, so. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, leave me some comments. I was going to do the questions last night, but I almost had this finished, so I figured I'd put this up, and then I'm going to shoot the question video. I've got like 9 questions, so make sure to leave some more. Actually, I got 10 questions, but 9 go on the one, and then I got 1 or 2 for the next one. So, yeah, leave me your questions. Let me know what's going on. Give me tips. All that good stuff. So let's see. I'll put the rest of the Bushcraft build right here. And my website's right there. Hope y'all are having a great day. And as always, take it easy.